Hello kids, I'm Teacher Isa and I'm so glad to be here with you today. Soy su Teacher Isa y estoy muy feliz de estar en este momento con ustedes para que podamos practicar y repasar un ratito nuestra clase de inglés. Okay, let's start. Let's start by singing hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Okay, so let's see. How do you feel today? I hope that today you feel happy. I feel happy, but maybe you feel angry or you can feel scared or you can feel sleepy. It's normal and it's okay if you feel. So let's start. Come on, come with me. Now, let's continue with the weather. How is the weather today? We can see that maybe the weather today is snowy, or maybe it is raining, or maybe it is cloudy, or windy, or sunny, or stormy. I think that maybe today is sunny, probably. Okay, so if the day is rainy, you can do some activities. Puedes hacer algunas actividades and others you can't. Y otras no se pueden hacer. If the day is rainy, si está lloviendo, you can go to ride a bike. Puedes ir a andar en bicicleta si está lloviendo. I don't think so. That will be dangerous. Eso sería peligroso. Let's see another one. If the day is... I know. If it's windy, you can fly a kite. Puedes volar una cometa if it's windy. Maybe you can do it. But maybe no. Because the wind will take your kite away. Porque el viento se llevaría tu cometa. We're gonna see some other activities that we can or maybe we can't do. Ahora vamos a ver otras actividades que quizá podemos o no podemos hacer dependiendo de los climas. ¿Estás listo? Let's go. But remember, recuerdan, listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. Escucha la actividad y luego repítela. ¿De acuerdo?
Swim. Swim. Ski. Ski. Play outside. Play outside. Fly a kite. Fly a kite. Ride a bike. Ride a bike. Play baseball. Play baseball.
Okay, kids, you did it great. Lo hicieron muy bien. So that's all for today. Eso es todo por el día de hoy. And don't forget to keep practicing. No olviden seguir practicando. Keep your activities going on. Sigan con sus actividades. Yo estoy al pendiente de revisarlas y de ver cómo te están quedando tus trabajos. But over all those things, pero sobre todas esas cosas, Don't forget that I love you. No olvides que te quiero y te extraño mucho. Soon we'll be together again. Pronto estaremos juntos. Pórtate muy bien. Haz tus tareas. And I love you. Bye bye.